So the make function can allow you to make your code a bit more efficient. Another feature that can make your code a bit more efficient from a developer's perspective could be a custom type, a type alias. And here I'm now not talking about some performance efficiency, but instead giving you, as a developer, a better development experience. Because, for example, types like this are rather long. A map with string keys and float values, that's quite some text you have to write to define this type. Now, earlier in this course, you learned about type aliases, and here's another scenario where we could use such an alias. We could define it here, and then maybe name it float map. The name, of course, is up to you. But now you can grab this type here, this built-in type, and use that as a type for this type alias, so for your custom type. Now you could also add methods here, as you learned earlier in the course. So for example, we could add an output method by using float map as a receiver and by assigning a name here maybe. And then we could easily output it like this. And that would then allow us to use float map in our code, for example here, to make this map. So make also works with that, because Go understands that behind the scenes, this will be this map here. And the advantage would be that, of course, now we can call our own methods on that type. So instead of printing the course ratings like this, I could call output like this. And if we run that code, that would all still work. But even if you don't plan on adding custom methods, using such a custom type, such a type alias, for longer built-in types like this can make sense, because now we have this more concise, shorter type, which we can use in our code. So that's not something you have to do, and you might prefer the more explicit approach here, where you use the built-in types. But you can also go for such a type alias to save some characters down there and to type less text.